Wanna know how to add geometric shapes to your image in BeFunky? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step process on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now first up, open up your BeFunky application. And then on the left side, select Graphic Designer. Now, import any image, and once you're done, on the left side, head towards this shapes icon right here. These are the graphics. Now just simply go for search graphics and search for geometric shapes or geometric design. Once you're there, press search and then your search should load. And there you have it. We have various geometric designs right here. But I'll just go for a simple one right here. Simply click on any and select any one of these and close the window. And under your graphics, you should have these geometric options right here. Just simply double click or drag it. Now, as you can see, it has been added to your screen. You can make color overlays, tint, drop shadows, and so much more. And once you're done, just simply click on save and save it anywhere that you want. And that's it. Super simple and easy as that. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more related videos. See you in the next one.